Welcome to a transformation that is about more than just a haircut. It is about reclaiming an identity. This distinguished pioneer arrives at the chair today with a magnificent canvas of natural volume and an authentic texture that tells a story of years of growth. Our mission today is to execute a surgical precision transformation that will effectively take decades off his appearance. As we begin the initial assessment, the stylist recognizes the incredible potential hidden within this density. We aren't just looking at hair, we are looking at a project that requires absolute technical mastery. The goal is to move from a state of natural, untamed volume to a sharp, sophisticated aesthetic that commands respect. Watch as we prepare to redefine the silhouette of this distinguished pioneer, starting with a clean slate and a vision for absolute excellence. The journey from a classic, weathered look to a modern, legendary status starts right here, right now, with the first stroke of the clippers. The first phase of this masterful evolution involves removing the substantial bulk to reveal the underlying structure of the face. This distinguished pioneer has granted the stylist full creative control, and we are starting with a strategic debulking process. Every movement of the clippers is intentional, honoring the hair's density while carving out a new foundation. Notice the masterful technique as the stylist clears the canvas, allowing us to see the shape of the head and the natural flow of the hairline. This is the respectful canvas rule in action. We treat the starting state with admiration, recognizing the strength of the hair we are working with. As the excess volume falls away, the transformation immediately begins to take shape. We are laying the groundwork for a transition that will be nothing short of mind-blowing. The focus is on symmetry and balance, ensuring that every angle of the head is prepared for the high-level detailing that is to follow. Now we move into the technical heart of the cut. This distinguished pioneer is receiving a low taper that transitions seamlessly from skin to shadow. The stylist utilizes a range of guards and lever adjustments to create a flawless execution of the blend. Watch the surgical precision as the clippers move around the ear and down toward the nape of the neck. We are looking for a gradient that is smooth, consistent, and perfectly balanced. This part of the process requires years of technical skill and a steady hand. The objective is to create a sharp contrast between the faded sides and the textured top. This level of craftsmanship is what separates a standard service from a legend cut. Every pass of the blade is designed to enhance the natural charisma of this distinguished pioneer. The attention to detail is absolute, ensuring that even the smallest hairs behind the ear are addressed with masterful focus and unwavering care. Perhaps the most dramatic moment of this journey is the transformation of the beard. This distinguished pioneer has carried a full silver-flecked beard that, while impressive, has hidden the strong lines of his jaw. The stylist begins to sculpt the facial hair, taking it down significantly to reveal a much younger, more vibrant profile. This is a game changer for the overall aesthetic. By removing the weight from the beard, we are unveiling a structure that radiates newfound confidence. The stylist uses masterful technique to fade the sideburns into the beard, creating a seamless connection between the hair and the face. This isn't just grooming, it's pure artistry. As the jawline emerges, the years begin to melt away. We are creating a look that is expertly crafted to highlight the best features of this distinguished pioneer, ensuring that the final result is a perfect harmony of strength, sophistication, and timeless style. With the bulk of the beard removed, we transition into the luxury phase of the grooming experience. The stylist prepares the skin of this distinguished pioneer with a high-energy application of premium shaving cream. Notice the rich, thick lather. It's designed to provide the ultimate protection for a surgical razor finish. The application is done with a sense of ceremony, acknowledging that professional grooming is as much about the experience as it is the result. We are preparing the skin for the straight razor, ensuring that every contour of the face is softened and ready. This is where the transition moves into elite territory. The shop atmosphere is one of masterful focus as we prepare to define the perimeter of the beard and the neck. This distinguished pioneer is being treated to a legendary experience that few ever get to witness in such detail. Every step is calculated to provide a result that is truly remarkable and visually stunning. To achieve a flawless execution, we utilize modern technology in the form of a professional facial steamer. The warm steam opens the pores of this distinguished pioneer, further softening the hair follicles and rejuvenating the skin. This masterful technique ensures that the razor will glide with effortless precision, preventing any irritation and providing a phenomenal finish. The steamer adds an element of luxury and high-level care to the transformation. It is a moment for the client to relax and embrace the evolution occurring in the chair. This is a vital part of of the respectful canvas rule, treating the skin with the same level of artistry as the hair. The steam acts as a catalyst for the climax of the shave, ensuring that the skin is left looking radiant and refreshed. You can see the dedication to excellence in every plume of mist, signaling that we are approaching the final, most detailed steps of this journey. We now return to the tools of precision for the final detailing of the hairline and C-cups. The stylist picks up the trimmers to create edges that are so sharp they look like they were drawn with a pen. This is pure artistry in motion. This distinguished pioneer is seeing the frame of his face redefined with surgical precision. The stylist focuses on the vertical bars and the front hairline, creating a perimeter that is crisp, clean, and undeniably professional. Every movement is a testament to masterful technique. This level of detailing provides that next level impact that makes the entire transformation pop. The C-cups are carved out with an eye for perfect symmetry, highlighting the temple area and adding a modern edge to the look. This is the moment where the distinguished pioneer truly starts to look like a legend. The contrast of the sharp lines against the smooth taper creates a visual impact that is absolutely incredible. In the world of modern grooming, we have the tools to perfect even the most authentic textures. The stylist utilizes an airbrush enhancement to fill in any naturally lighter spots in the hairline and beard of this distinguished pioneer. This is not about hiding the truth, it is about magnifying the excellence. The enhancement is applied with a light, masterful touch, ensuring that it blends naturally with the existing hair. This technique provides a high-definition finish that looks spectacular under any lighting. It adds that record label quality to the appearance, making the client look like the star of his own story. The results are mind-blowing. The hairline appears fuller, the beard looks more defined, and the overall aesthetic reaches a level of perfection that is rarely seen. We are bridging the gap between natural potential and masterful evolution, creating a transition that is truly remarkable and a complete game changer for his personal style. The climax of the technical work arrives as the stylist picks up the straight razor. This is the final polish for this distinguished pioneer. With a steady hand and surgical precision, the stylist glides the blade along the edges of the hair and beard, removing every microscopic stray hair. This creates a finish that is unbelievably sharp and clean. This is the legendary experience in its purest form. The sound of the blade against the skin is the soundtrack to perfection. Once the razor work is complete, we apply a finishing agent to soothe the skin and add a healthy radiance. Every detail has been expertly crafted from the tip of the crown to the base of the neck. We are witnessing the final moments of a transformation that has redefined what it means to be a modern gentleman. This distinguished pioneer is now ready to step back into the world with a look that is flawless, sophisticated, and absolutely breathtaking. This is the moment of truth. The cape is removed, and this distinguished pioneer sees his reflection for the first time. The reaction is absolutely incredible. Look at that radiance and the charismatic smile of a man who knows he has been transformed. We have taken years off his appearance and replaced them with a sense of elite style and newfound confidence. From the magnificent volume we started with to the sharp surgical taper and sculpted beard we have now, this is a masterclass in professional grooming. It has been a phenomenal journey of precision and artistry. This distinguished pioneer left the chair looking like a version of himself he hasn't seen in decades. A true style evolution that is truly remarkable to behold. Thank you for joining us for this legendary transformation. Until next time, stay sharp, stay confident, and always trust the hands of a master. Your transformation is only one chair away.